Good morning, everyone. Myself, Mrs. Neetu Soji. Today, we are going to see some new topics from the unit Management of Patient with Gastrointestinal Disorders. The first topic is diverticular disease. What is diverticular disease? The definition is the diverticulitis is a small bulging sacs or pouches of the inner lining of the intestine that become inflamed or infected. ठीक है, बिफोर सीइंग दिस डाइवर्टिकुलाइटिस, ठीक है, डाइवर्टिकुलाइटिस से पहले हम ये देखना है व्हाट इज ए डाइवर्टिकुलस. ठीक है, डाइवर्टिकुलस मतलब ये है, these are the small pouches which forms in the inner lining of the intestine. intestine का inner lining में जो small bulging sac और pouches जो form होते हैं उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Diverticulus. Sorry. So if these pouches are infected or inflamed, then we will call it as diverticulitis or diverticular disease. We will causes and risk factors of diverticulitis: eating a low fiber diet, processed foods, and constipation. These are the assumed causes and risk factors. The exact cause is also not known. So eating a low fiber diet, processed foods, and the constipation may also become the cause of diverticulitis. So what are the clinical manifestations? Abdominal tenderness, bloating or gas formation, fever and chills. It is common for all infections. Nausea and vomiting may occur. Constipation, not feeling hungry. Bleeding, that is bright red or maroon blood may appear in the stool. Then burning or pain during urination and bleeding from the rectum. These are the main clinical manifestations we can see. So how we can find out the disease condition, or how we can rule out the disease condition? We will collect thorough medical history and physical examination. We will do blood test, we will do stool test, colonoscopy for confirmation, barium X-ray for confirmation, abdominal USG, CT scan, and X-ray, abdominal X-ray also we can do to rule out this disease, or we can find out the diverticular sacs in the intestine. So what are the medical management we will do? Specifically, we will give antispasmodic drugs, then oral antibiotics for infection, and if it is severe, then we will do surgery. We will go for surgery. The surgical management include primary bowel resection and bowel resection with colostomy. Okay, what is colostomy? That we will see next other section in detail. So these are the two surgical management: primary bowel resection, that is removal in the bowel resection with colostomy. Bowel remove करके colostomy bag डालते हैं. ठीक है. So this is diverticular disease. It is a small disease condition. So what is diverticulus? It is a small pouch that formed in the inner lining of the intestine. If this pouch or sac get infected or inflamed, then we will call it as diverticular disease or diverticulitis. Okay, so we had seen the causes and risk factors. There is exact cause हमें नहीं बोल सकते. ठीक है. Then the clinical manifestation and the diagnostic evaluations, management, and the surgical management. So we will move on to the next disease condition, that is colorectal cancer. What is the definition? The cancer that originates in the colon or rectum may be called as colorectal cancer. Cancer का definition तो सबको पता है. So colorectal cancer मतलब क्या है? That is the cancer that originates from the colon or rectum. And this colorectal cancer include cancerous growth in the colon, rectum, and also in the appendix. Okay, so this is colorectal cancer definition. What are the causes and risk factors? Actually, the exact cause of this disease is also not unknown. Okay, and we can say it as age is a primary risk factor. ठीक है, जिसको ज़्यादा 50 years से ज़्यादा है उसको आने का chances ज़्यादा है. Then how we can do the staging of the colorectal cancer? Same as TNM staging. Stage 1, cancer began to spread but still in the inner lining of the colon or rectum. Second stage में क्या होता है, cancer has spread to other organs near to the colon and rectum, that is the appendix example, but not reach the lymph nodes. lymph nodes में नहीं आए हैं, फिर भी जो adjacent organs है उसमें spread हो गया. Stage 3 में lymph nodes में spread हो गया, फिर भी body का दूसरा पार्ट में वो नहीं गया, ठीक है, but has not carried to distant parts of the body. Stage 4 में cancer has carried through the lymph system to distant parts of the body. That means the cancer has spread to all over the body. Staging of cancer, 4 stages. Now we will see what are the clinical manifestations. Fatigue, weakness, shortness of breath or SOB, change in bowel habits, ribbon-like stools, diarrhea can occur, constipation may come, red or dark blood in stool, jaundice if it occurs, मतलब liver में कैंसर अफेक्ट हो गया तो पेशेंट को jaundice आएगा. Then abdominal pain and with cramps. These are the clinical manifestation, and when the stages of this cancer involves more organs, then there will be changes in the clinical manifestation which include all the systems. So we will move on to the diagnostic evaluations. We can do the screening, digital rectal examination we will do, fecal occult blood test, all the laboratory tests we will do, double contrast barium enema, flexible sigmoidoscopy, total colonoscopy, genetic counseling, and also biopsy we will do for the confirmation of the colorectal cancer. Then what are the management we will do, ठीक है. For the same management for all the cancers, chemotherapy, radiation therapy, immunotherapy, and surgery also we will do, that is radical bowel resection. मतलब कहाँ पे affect हो गए वो part हम लोग remove करते हैं, ठीक है. So surgery, chemotherapy, immunotherapy and radiation therapy. Then how we can prevent, ठीक है. This all cancers are preventable because the cause is not known, it is the cause is unknown and there are risk factors, ठीक है. So if there are risk factors we can prevent the disease. So what we can do, regular screening we can do, genetic counseling and testing, and the main thing for prevention of all the gastrointestinal disorder is mainly lifestyle and nutrition changes. We need to change our lifestyle and nutrition. So this is all colorectal cancer. So in this session we had seen those disease conditions, diverticular disease and colorectal cancer. I hope everyone understood the topic. These are very simple topics and small topics. Write and keep the notes with you. Study the topics, and if you have any clarifications, you are welcome to clear it at any time. Thank you.